Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Jira for project management, you probably know how easy it is for updates to slip through the cracks. But today, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step guide on how to add watchers to your Jira tickets so your team always stays in the loop without constant manual updates. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add, manage, and optimize watchers like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first. What's a watcher in Jira? A watcher is anyone who wants to receive automatic notifications about an issue's updates, comments, status changes, attachments, and more. It's a simple way to keep key people informed without spamming everyone in the project. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of adding watchers. Start by logging into your Jira account and heading to the project where your task or ticket is located. From the top navigation bar, click on Issues. You'll see a list of all active tickets. Find and open the specific issue you want to add watchers to. Once the issue is open, look at the top right corner of the issue view. You'll see a small eye icon. That's your watcher control. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear showing everyone currently watching the ticket. Now, in the watcher drop-down, start typing the name of the person you want to add. Jira will automatically suggest matching users. Select the right one, and boom! They're instantly added. From this point on, they'll automatically get all relevant updates and notifications for that issue. Here's a quick pro tip. Regularly review your watcher list to make sure it's up to date. Remove users who no longer need those notifications. It keeps your communication clean and efficient, and your teammates will thank you for it. And that's it. That's how you add watchers in Jira, step by step. It's quick, easy, and a total game changer for keeping your team aligned without micromanaging updates. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick Jira and productivity tips, and drop a comment below if you have any Jira topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.